Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to open an account on Investagrams step by step. First, open your browser and go to www.investagrams. Go to www.investagrams.com, or you can download the apps from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Okay. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign up. So I'm already on the account, but I'm gonna show you how to open it. So you go to the sign up and click the button sign up. Then next you'll be asked to choose how you want to register. You can sign up using your email address, or you can use Google or Facebook account for faster registration. If you choose email sign up, enter a valid email address, create a password, and fill in the required personal details such as username. So after that, Instagram will send a verification email to your inbox. Open your email and click the verification link to activate your account. Once your email is verified, so log into Instagram using your registered email and password. And that's it. You now have an Instagram account where you can explore stock charts, join virtual trading, read markets, news, and interact with other investors. Now that you have successfully opened your Instagram account, let's take a look what you can find inside the platform. So this is the platform. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard like this. This is your main page where you can view market updates, trending stocks, and recent posts from the Investagrams community. So you can have there's a social tools, learn virtual trading, invest, and your portfolio. So if you have an account, so you can do virtual trading first. Here, we open the virtual trading. Here, if you open the virtual trading, you can see you have available cash. They will give you a 100,000 cash so that you can play it in virtual. Okay. So one of the most important features is the chart section. So this is the chart section. So you go to tools, then charts. How you can analyze stocks. So here in the chart, you can analyze your stocks movement using interactive charts. You can apply different time frames, indicators, and drawing tools to help you study market trends and make better trading decisions. So here's the tools. Here you can do the indicator. Here is the indicator. Next is the virtual trading. So I told you the virtual trading feature. This allows you to practice buying. So here is to practice buying your stocks using virtual money. So for beginners can learn how to trade works without risking real cash. So you can do a practice on this one. So you also find the news and insights. So you can find a news and insights here. This and feeds here. Another feature is the community. In this section, you can interact with other investors, share ideas. So the communities in here is socials, can have socials. Okay, here is the socials. So you can follow the people here. They are posting for some stocks that they like, some news. And lastly, there's your profile settings. Your profile settings is here for you. Here is your profile where you can customize your account, track your activity, and manage your notifications. So when you open your profile, here is your you can post also something and you can have a notification here. So you can track your activity and manage the notifications. So overall, Investagrams is a powerful platform that helps users learn, analyze, and engage in the stock market all in one place. Okay, so when you have this like this one, I have virtual trading. So for I'll buy this one. So this one, you see, I have a gain 6,000. I have a loss see 2,000 like that. So overall, I have positive 1,602 and my cash is total is 99,727 from 59. Really, I'm losing because they're giving us 100,000. So only 99 I have. So I have lost around 300 or 200 plus something. But I have a positive thing. And then when you go to the charts, this is the chart, this one. So you can see this one here is the the red button. I mean the red candle is negative, is the one, the candle that is going down, while the green candle is the candle that's going up. And here is the indicators. You can put like can put the indicators like Bollinger Bands. See, yeah, this is the Bollinger Bands. That this is, you can see that the candle is inside the band. Some went outside, some went down outside. And you can use also the RSI. RSI, you can use this relative strength index. So you can see if this one, you can see if the stocks is weak because the RSI is down. When the stocks is good, so it's the RSI is up. Then there's also uh, indicators that called DMI. DMI is a directional movement. So this is the DMI. Can see the DMI, the directional movement of the stocks. So you can see that some these stocks, the Philippine market is going down because the DMI market is down. Okay. And here is the, if you want some trend line, you can use this side for to draw your, to draw the line, or you can put some text here. It's the trend line here. Some that you can draw about. Sorry about it. You can draw your stock like this one. So you can change this also the bars, like you can put hollow candles, you can put, sorry, it's And then they you can put 1 week. This is the weekly. uh, Weekly and monthly. So things like that. So on this Instagram, you can do practice your chart. You can do drawing, anything you can do here. And that's it for now. Thank you.